All right, now we're going to sit started. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, Reefscape.
All right, now with a proper start to our match, we have all the robots moving around the field, already scoring some L4 on the red side. During the autonomous period, that is going to get them 7 points, so that's 2 more points per coral. Blue doing the exact same thing. 76-17 dropping that coral onto L4 at the beginning of teleoperated period. Also taking some of that algae off the reef so that they can score more later. 15-29, the cyber cards are lining up to score. They're going steady, and they seem to be trying to score on L3. 76-17 with a little wobble, but they make it past it as they get to an L4 score on the coral. Over on the Red Alliance, 461 doing the same thing, scoring on L4 with their team 10-0-21, attempting to do the same. They have a handoff in which they score coral and then take an algae off, which is very efficient. It allows them to score and leave room for more scoring at the same time. 461 stuck on an algae, but their teammate comes over and quickly corrects the issue, allowing them to keep playing. 10493 seems to be having some issues, but 461 going over, and they're both moving out away from the coral station. All 3 red robots now moving around the field once again. 3147 going and seems to be collecting some coral from the coral station using the funnel that leads to their intake. They have a sort of handoff inside their robot like that. 76-17 going up and scoring on L4 at 1 minute left in the match. Red at 70 points, blue at 62 points. Each team seems to be trying to fill up L4, and Blue Alliance seems to be trying to fill up L3 now so that they can get that rank point with 5 coral in each level of the reef. 47 seconds left. It still could be anybody's match depending on the climbs and however many more coral get scored in the reef. It seems that these teams' main strategy is to score coral on the reef, which is just mostly a design choice. Some teams will choose to specialize, while other teams choose to be able to do both. A lot of teams like to score coral and then just knock those algae off of the reef, which allows them to score faster. Team 461 seems to be coming over to climb. They have wheels that allow them to channel that mechanism into the cage. They are off the ground. Now we have 1529 slowly going over to their barge zone. Other teammates staying out to score one last coral on the reef before they too go over to their zone at 2 seconds left in the match. That is qualification match 10, folks. And after the animation, we see that the Red Alliance is the winner of qualification 10 with a score of 105-96, so less than 10 points separating these 2 alliances. That's going to give them 4 ranking points, 3 of which are from winning. Meanwhile, 96 for blue side. They still put up a fight with the 83 coral points. Congratulations to the Red Alliance.